Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set a thumbnail for your Fiverr gig video. This is a crucial step because the thumbnail is the first thing potential buyers see, and having the perfect frame can make your gig stand out and attract more clicks. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to fiverr.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you've logged in, you'll land on your Fiverr dashboard where you can manage all your gigs and services. Now look at the top menu bar on your screen. You'll see an option labeled My Business. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Gigs. This will take you to a page displaying all the gigs you've created on your Fiverr profile. Next, browse through your gigs and find the one where you want to set a video thumbnail. Once you've located it, you'll notice a drop-down menu right beside the gig. Click on this drop-down menu, and from the options that appear, select Edit. This action will open up the gig editor where you can make changes to your gig's content and settings. In the gig editor, direct your attention to the top menu. Here you'll find a tab called Gallery. Click on this tab to access all the media files associated with your gig, including images and videos. This is where you'll be able to customize your video thumbnail. Now locate your gig video in the Gallery section. Hover your mouse over the video preview. As you do this, you should see either a pencil icon or an edit icon appear on the video. Click on this icon to open the video editing options. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to select the perfect frame for your thumbnail. The video player will now appear on your screen. Click the play button to start the video, then watch it carefully. When you reach the exact frame that you want to use as your thumbnail, the one that best represents your service and catches the eye, pause the video right there. Take your time with this step because choosing the right frame can significantly impact your gig's appeal. With the video paused on your chosen frame, look for a button that says Set as Preview. Click on this button to lock in that specific frame as your gig's video thumbnail. This frame will now be the image buyers see before they click to play your video. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click it to ensure all your edits are applied to your gig. Your new video thumbnail is now set and ready to attract potential buyers. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Fiverr gig video thumbnail to showcase your service in the best possible light. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.